Are you tired of waiting for your dreams to manifest? Doing everything right, but still not seeing results? It feels like everyone else is living their best life, except you. But what if the one thing holding you back is something you can fix right now? Stick around, because today, we're uncovering the biggest mistake that's blocking your manifestation, and how you can turn it around immediately. You're doing everything the manifestation gurus tell you. Visualizing your dream life, scripting your desires, and meditating daily. But why isn't it working? Maybe you're starting to wonder, what am I doing wrong? Why isn't the universe listening? This is one of the biggest frustrations in the manifestation journey. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others, feeling like the universe has forgotten you. But what if I told you the problem isn't your effort? It's something deeper. Something you're doing subconsciously that's sabotaging your success. The truth is, the biggest mistake blocking your manifestation is your need to control. It's this tight grip on the outcome that's stopping the flow of abundance into your life. When you try to control how, when, and where your dreams will manifest, you're actually telling the universe you don't trust it. We've all been there, obsessing over the timing, wondering why things aren't happening fast enough. But impatience and doubt are like kryptonite to your manifestation. They create resistance, pushing your desires further away. This need for control stems from fear. Fear that your dreams won't come true. Fear of the unknown. And fear of failure. But here's the catch. The universe doesn't operate on fear. It operates on trust, flow, and alignment. The real secret to manifesting is letting go. It's about surrendering to the process, trusting that the universe has your back, even when you can't see the full picture. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing the need to control every detail. Imagine a leaf falling from a tree. It doesn't fight gravity. It simply surrenders to the wind and lets it carry it where it's meant to go. That's the mindset shift you need. When you let go, you open up to receiving in ways beyond your wildest dreams. This shift from control to trust changes everything. It's the difference between chasing your dreams and attracting them effortlessly. You move from a state of lack to a state of abundance, where the universe aligns the right people, opportunities, and experiences for you. And here's the key moment. When you truly surrender, your energy shifts. You become a magnet for your desires because you're no longer blocking the flow with resistance. This is where the magic happens. So, what's the takeaway? If your manifestations aren't flowing, it's time to check in with yourself. Are you holding on too tightly? Are you trying to force the universe's hand? Remember, the universe is always at work, even when you can't see it. Trust the journey. Let go of the how and the when. Surrender your need for control, and watch as the universe unfolds its magic in the most unexpected ways. Your dreams are closer than you think, but it all starts with letting go. Are you ready to fix the biggest mistake blocking your manifestation? Start by letting go. Hit the like button if this message resonated with you. Subscribe for more insights on manifesting your dreams. And share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Let's manifest the life we deserve together.